Hi everybody, welcome to my channel Analytics Expert. In this channel, you will get good knowledge of MIS, dashboarding, reporting, data mining. Apart from that, I will place lots of video related to VBA, SQL, MS Access, MS Access VBA, Power BI, Tableau, R, Python. So you will get excellent package. So you have to subscribe my channel. You have to share my video. You have to like my video. You can get benefit. Okay. So let's see. I'm going to let you know in this topic how we can apply condition on the basis of this one. My first condition is more than 5,000, more than 3,000, and more than 1,000. So what I have to do here, I need to filter out the data on the basis of this condition. In last video, I covered how we can apply conditional formatting, but in this video, I have to filter out the same data on the basis of this condition. Okay, so let's see the practical approach. Press Alt F11 to move on code window. Control R to move on module. Okay, so removing this. So here, first you need to activate the sheet where data is available. Sub filter data on condition. Single column data. Column data on condition. Okay. Now activating the sheet. Sheet 5 dot select. Declaring here one variable which will be used in for loop. So generally I declare counter as integer. I have three conditions, so I have to create different cell reference. So what I have to do here, I have to write three more variable: dim, r1, r2, r3 as integer. Why I have taken only three variables? Because I have three conditions. That's why I'm taking. Okay. So here writing for loop for counter equal to 2 to 100. Why I have taken here 2 and why I have taken here 100? Because my data is starting from second number row and last data is 100 number row. Okay. Now I need to apply the condition. So what I have to do here, I need to take if range of the cell reference range a concatenate counter value means this value. Okay. Greater than 5,000, then where I have to place my value? I need to place my value in D column. So I have to take reference of D column, but make sure you have to take here, you have to store R1 value equal to 2. Why I'm taking here R1 equal to 2? Actually, I have to create cell reference from second number row. That's why I'm taking here 2. If I want to create cell reference from first number row, then definitely I can take here 1. So I have to create cell reference from second number row. So I have taken here 2. R2 equal to 2, 2. R3 equal to 2. Okay. Then what I have to do here? Here I need to place my value in D column. So I have to use here range D concatenate R1. Okay. My first R1 value will be 2. So your cell reference will be D2. In D2, you will get first value, which is more than 5,000. Okay. So what value you need to pick? I need to pick value from A column. So I have to create cell reference of A column. Range A concatenate. Why I'm saying concatenate? Actually, ampersand is used to concatenate your cell reference. Okay. Here A is name of the column. Counter will be row. Okay, counter value will be row. Okay, now after writing this code, from this cell reference I have to place my value into D column. Okay, after placing this value into D2, I have to increase the R1 value. If you do not increase, you can see the impact. And if I'm just running this code to show you impact. Okay, next, counter. So if I do not increase this R1 value, then you will get all the value more than 5,000 in same cell reference. Okay, you can see here. My first value is not more than 5,000. This value you can see here, cell reference value is 2883. Are you looking? Now, next value is more than 5,000. So it will fall into more than 5,000 condition. You can see here, first value is placed. Third value is also more than 5,000. So R1 value is still same, 2. D2, so you will get same, this value also you will get into D2. So you can see here, same value. So all the more than 5,000 value will be placed into D2. It's not increasing. So in this scenario, how we can tackle this condition? You can see here, you will have to write here R1 equal to R1 plus 1. Now all the value will move into downside. I'm pressing F5. You can see here all the value is moving in downside. Okay. So this is a first condition I have applied. Now I have to apply condition for more than 5,000. So what I have to do here? I need to write here else if range A concatenate counter greater than 3,000. Then here I need to take range D concatenate counter, not counter. Here I need to take R2. R2 for second condition. R2 variable used for second condition. So R2 value will be for row reference. And I have already taken D column. So through the R2, you will get row reference. What value you need to pick? I need to pick value from A column. So I'm putting here A column reference. A concatenate counter. Okay. Last condition I can apply else. Okay, so else means rest of the value. Rest of the value is what? Rest of the value is more than 1,000. Okay, and less than 3,000. So you can see here, less than 3,000, more than 1,000 will be placed into F column. So here I need not to write D column. Here I need to place the value in E column. So I'm putting here E. Okay, sorry, this is my mistake. Now moving on, directly I have to place the value. So I have to take here F column reference, F concatenate R3. And one more thing I have forgot, I will let you know, equal to range A concatenate counter. So what I have forgot, here I have not increased the cell reference R2 equal to R2 plus 1. Okay. And again here I need to write R3 equal to R3 plus 1. Okay, all done. Code is ready to execute. So running this code, you can see the result. You can see here, first I'm removing this value. Pressing F5. You can see here all the value is placed into different column. So you can validate your count of data. You can see here 99 count of data. In this cell, in this column, you have 99 column, 99 data. You can see here. Okay. So all done. Thank you so much. I'm trainer of data analytics, data science, MIS, and BI developer. So if you are looking very good training at advanced Excel, VBA, MS Access VBA, SQL Server, Power BI, Tableau, or Python, you can contact me. My number is 9871616527. Thank you so much.